Today I will show you step by step how to create a desktop shortcut from any website using Google Chrome. First I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Then in the search bar I just type it and pressed enter. The first result was a YouTube channel. I clicked on it and my channel opened. Next I clicked on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop down menu, I hover over save and share and another list appeared. Here I clicked on create shortcut and then confirmed by clicking create again. And that's it. The shortcut instantly appeared on my desktop just like an app. Now you can easily open your favorite website directly from your desktop with one click. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next quick tech guide.